9:54. We just made it to the lake put in, so we're gonna start unloading stuff. Reina was freaking out a little bit. So we just arrived here. Phyllis is real happy about paddling on at 10 o'clock at night, so we're gonna get everything unloaded quick and get everything packed into the canoe and kayak and make it down to our campsite. I think only one person showed up here. The two other sites on this lake were booked up, but it looks like only one person came out because there's only one car at the boat landing.
Tonight.
So, yeah. We'll paddle out to our campsite and bring you back when we kind of have things set up, and then we're going to crash. We're not doing anything else. We're not going to eat dinner tonight, and probably do a better intro tomorrow morning, but this is pretty much it for tonight because we're pretty tired. All right. mom taking forever to get up?
Well, Mom slept on the ground. Mom needed a couple extra hours of sleep.
She was fine out here until you started talking, and then she started getting all grumpy. Ray, stay up there. Hi. Oh. She did make it.
Oh, Reina! Hey! No. I'm coming out.
Hey.
Right.
No. No.
You waited 2 more seconds. I'm done.
Back. Go back to the chairs. Back to the chairs.
Stella, you told me to stop.
What's the matter, Ray?
She's so dirty.
Oh, put her on the ground.
She's gonna get dirty again.
So she hasn't figured out how to walk in her life jacket yet. Just giving up on life. Oh,
Oh, no.
we laid down at least instead of falling over.
Didn't plop.
Alright.
You hit Reina.
Sorry, Ray. You're glaring at me.
Are you enjoying your first camping trip, Reina?
Just evil eyes looking at me. I'll kill all of you! I swear! Ooh! Must have hit a pocket of sap in there.
Something. How's it going, Ray? You having so much fun camping? Reina. Ray. Oh, grumpy kitty. You a grumpy kitty?
Are you a grumpy kitty? So he said he was going to get water, but I see a fishing pole. I think he's a liar. There's our campsite. Yeah, tarps up in case it's gonna rain. It rained this morning, so we put those up last night when we got in at midnight. Oh, hummingbird. I think. There he is. Oh, there he went. He went away. Oh, there he is. See right there. Oh, now he went. Now he left. And there's the liar who said he was getting water. Do it again. Do it again.
What?
Do it again.
Huh?
Do it again.
Can't hear you.
Do it again.
Oh, you aren't filming?
I was, but I didn't have it. I was zooming in.
Oh. That's Matthew Post says I caught a fish call.
Oh, did you catch your fish?
Yeah, a couple decent sized bluegill.
You can keep them?
Huh?
Did you keep them?
No. I didn't feel like frying anything or flaying anything this morning.
Watch now, you won't catch anything.
Your lovely muck driveway.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't think I'm swimming from here. I think if we're going swimming, we gotta go back to the dock.
Oh. Most likely.
You get water? Or did you just go fishing? I caught a little hummingbird on camera.
A hummingbird?
I think it was a hummingbird.
Wait, what did you ask?
Did you get water?
Yeah. That's what I went out there for.
Uh-huh.
As long as I'm out there, might as well throw the fishing pole for a little bit.
Oh.
Reach that.
I was gonna say, that one's probably about as high as that one is.
Woodcraft.
It's okay. It's Coles.
Huh?
It's doing okay.
Yeah, well, that's what we want for.
Yeah. Reina's still angry.
What is it? She angry?
When you were at home.
Oh, she's angry there too.
She's only angry at you at home. I think she's angry at both of us here. Because I went to film her and she looked away from me. And then I moved and then she did the same thing. I'm like, oh, you little stinker. Bushcraft.
Excited for fish dinner tonight.
Nope, I'm not eating fish. I'm gonna have soup.
Fish soup.
Chicken and wild rice soup.
Snails on the shoreline that you can throw in there and boil up.
Escargot.
Oh,
Isn't that what snails is?
yeah.
We could take them home as a pet from Mach 1.
One will just kill them. He knows that they're in there somehow.
I know.
still not liking this.
Huh?
I'm still not liking this. But I want to see what's going on now.
You moved up further. You put her on top of that.
I did, and then I put her back down where she was, and then she crawled back up there.
You filming her?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you having fun, Ray?
Don't worry, Reina. We're filming this so you can relive your nightmare over and over and over again.
I don't know.
She's like sniffing.
Huh?
She's like somewhat curious now.
Yeah, she's sniffing.
Is this what my new home smells like? It's really big. I don't think we're gonna make it, Reina. Oh! She died. Hey, sometimes we've hopped stuff like that before. Don't look at me like that.
There's a little bit more deeper in the water.
Oh. Oh yeah, look at that goodness. Beer battered bluegill fillets, lemon wedges, and bacon buttered rice. Gonna dig in. Dumping rain right in there, so hopefully it's just over there. Soon we might get a stray shower here tonight, but at least we have the tarp set up. It's hard to tell because looks like these clouds over here are moving that way, but it looks like this is actually getting closer to us for some reason. Must be a couple air currents going through. Be almost like last night when I was out fishing on the lake and trying to get a few more panfish to fry up, and all of a sudden it started sprinkling all the time. I made it back to camp and it was pouring out, and all of our gear was out because there was blue skies before that. So the sky is really pretty looking though, with all those dark clouds and then the blue skies mixed in. it gets worse. You guys can see that. Yeah, like 3 bumps in different areas. I don't know if got a spider on me that was biting me or what. It kind of burns right now. Hopefully I don't swell up or anything.
What are you doing, Justin?
I don't know. Drinking some wintergreen tea. Don't even look at it. Mmm, just like Mom used to make.
And how's your morning going, Reina?
I tried to make a mad dash to the tent and got wrapped around a tree.
And put back in my chair.
They've been sulking ever since.
Are you ready to go home?
I say we just leave her with the swans and let the swans raise her.
We are not leaving.
They
her
seemed
with
like a
swans.
caring couple.
No. They're annoying. There they are, way out there. I don't know if we can zoom in that far. How would you rate this campsite, Justin?
I don't know. 8 out of 10.
What would make it better?
Oh, good camera skills. Just teasing you.
What would make it better?
So on the other side, this is probably the best site on the lake,
On
as
this
Alyssa
lake.
said.
Yeah.
So, space-wise and then view-wise. But then this side of the lake is the shallower of the two. So, it's probably at max like 5 or 6 foot deep. So the fishing isn't as good. There's some panfish, and then it's something bigger on that snapped my line. Probably a northern or a muskie. Probably just a super little northern. And then what else could make it better? Oh, a movable picnic table. Since the picnic tables are like sunk into the ground.
And a deeper dug privy.
Yep.
It was a little ridiculous.
Well, other than that, if you're just looking to come up here for relaxation, and you can always paddle over to the other side. It gets, for walleye fishing, you kind of want to do that around dusk, so it's a little annoying that you have to go across the lake. It's probably,
The
what,
channel.
20-minute paddle to get over there?
Yeah.
15, 20-minute paddle. And then you're going to be coming back in the dark, which we did the first night coming in anyways, so.
They said it was the calmest the lake had been all weekend.
Yep.
Was the 11 o'clock paddle in.
Oh, on this side's non-electric, so.
Yeah, no motors.
Or no motor, not non-electric.
Yeah, you can use...
You can only use gas motors over here.
No, you can only
it's-
use trolling motors.
And the other side is supposed to be honorary no wake, but there's a few people breaking it. But it's Labor Day weekend, so it could be busier than it normally is here too.
And it wasn't that busy. What we saw, maybe 10 people?
Yeah. Probably 4 boats in total, fishing boats. When we're on the other side of the lake.
What you doing? Oh, you're standing. I can walk sideways, Mom.